Here's a little before and after on a 1978 automatic Poptop Westie. This is a Dakota beige, and this is the restoration process. So check it out. Pretty old, pretty gone, but wait till you see the end, guys. Let me go ahead and step out of the frame so you can see what we did. Enjoy. Reupholstered seats, interior work, a lot of paint, a lot of body work, new tent, new seals, new tires, rebuilt motor, rebuilt transmission. All this stuff is done at the $45,000, $500 range, and it takes about 7 to 10 months to accomplish something like this. This is an extremely rare automatic Poptop Westie. They are difficult to find, but they are out there. Propane model, got the stove. Oh, this thing is beautiful. New window seals. This thing drives excellent. Took it all over the place before the buyer came and picked it up. New seals, new tent, new chrome accessories, new hubcaps. Oh, the works. This thing had the works, guys. If you are interested in a build like this, reach out, DM on Instagram, or you can send an email. That's adamthebusguy@gmail.com. I did that little slow motion by that automatic there. Ooh. Man, that's nice. Oh, I love this bus. I miss it.